Why is my sketch so scuffed?
So how would we have it align the clothing now?
So like, because
Or
if
how
it was
would we
like
get it to like detect where the clothing is?
detect where the clothing is.
Because I personally don't have computer vision experience, and that's
I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. I don't think it's that hard. I mean, you can always. I mean, one way is to put a camera on top
Yeah.
and just have it detect it.
Yeah.
That way. That I think I can do.
Yeah.
I think so.
Well, also this isn't like core functionality, so it's
Yeah.
okay if it doesn't work
Yeah.
out.